Y'all, I can't keep him from back here. Little mama done slid up under the fence, little gorgeous right there, and I might as well just went head on, just let Titan bite there too. Now that's Titan and his mama. Titan want to go back there, think he want to dominate everybody. Look at him. Look at him, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. Titan, y'all, is 4 months old. Him and Gorgeous is 4 months. Now that's Titan and his mom. That's his mom. Look like two tigers back there. Y'all, it's so dry down here. It is so dry. I don't think we had rain. I don't think we had rain in about a month. So dry. But yeah, that's Titan, aka Gemini, back there with his mom. Sage, your baby right there. She's the mother. I thought this girl right here was pregnant, but she didn't take. That's Gemini. Gemini Titan. That boy's still available. Miss Little Gorgeous right there, the shortest thing back there. Miss Gorgeous. And Sage, your baby. Spicy Red. Miss Juicy right there. And that boy Titan. Look at Miss Juicy. Miss Gorgeous. Little Gorgeous. She the shorter. Now she's the shorter thing back there. As y'all can see, she get along well. These Gorgeous get along well with other dogs. They are socialized, y'all. So they do get along well with other dogs. Zeus and Titan and Little Mama, they are pockets. Titan is in his linking stage. He ain't started spreading yet, but he's in his linking stage. It's King Zeus. Short stuff right there. Titan is a pocket. Zeus is a standard. As you can see, Jazz is a standard. Juicy is a standard. Titan is in his linky stage. The shortest thing back here in the yard is a little gorgeous. That's Mama on the ground. Son right there roughing her up. Titan is a pocket. That's Mama and son right there. Now Titan is 4 months old, y'all. He'll be 5 on the 15th of May. Him and Gorgeous, they'll be 5 months. Titan is still available, and Gorgeous is still available. That's their mama on the ground, and that son roughing her up. And then Big Juicy got on there and try to put all her weight, all that weight on somebody. And look at little Gorgeous. They should sleep good tonight. I guess Juicy's trying to calm him down. Like, man, you need to calm down. That's your mom, man. You need to calm down. That's your mom, little man. Calm down, boy. Juicy had to put some of that weight on him, y'all. Juicy had to put some of that weight on him. And like I said, Titan is a pocket. Juicy, she's a standard. Zeus is a standard. Gorgeous been trying her hardest, y'all, ever since she been outside to get back here with the big dogs. She finally squeezed her little butt up under the fence while I wasn't looking. Look at her. She ain't got time for that. She ain't got time for children. She don't have time for them, y'all. Especially at that age, when they aggravate. Look at that, the shorty thing right there, right there. That right there. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That boy right there have to stay on the chain. We had to took him off the chain, y'all. You know, because he had not been on the chain for like some months. And he was doing pretty good for a few months. He was doing pretty good, y'all. And next thing you know, found a way out. And Sage and Juice went along behind him. And yeah, the sheriff and the Humane Society showed up, y'all. Yeah, yeah. That boy right there. Oh, Zeus, King Zeus. That boy right there. Brought the police department and the Humane Society to my doorstep. Yeah, that boy right there. hmm And the thing about that is, when the police department and the Humane Society showed up, guess what, y'all? They was in the yard. They was in the yard like they never got out the fence. hmm That boy right there. Now he back on the chain. Yeah, good, y'all. Look at that. That wind blowing. It's cool. Nice wind breeze. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Like about 7 o'clock. Sun setting. The wind blowing. I'm a country girl for real. Country. That's a mom and daughter right there. Sage. Little gorgeous. That's her mom. That's her son right there. Sage son. Titan. That Brenda. Here's a pocket. Big Nico. The XL. All right, y'all. They're showing the whole game. Got one more. And that's Xena. But she inside. Whole game. Short stuff.